everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Today we are out here in the yard on the Blackstone. We're making quesadillas. We've pre-cooked our chicken. We'll throw that back down here on the Blackstone. We're also doing some Spanish rice. Old El Paso, looking forward to that. So we've got onions and diced bell peppers. We're going to throw that in with some butter and some seasoning. We got some refried beans we're going to throw in here. We've got some cheese. We've got some different sauces we're going to show you when we get to that point. And don't forget our chicken. That's going to go in the Blackstone. But first, we're going to get these things all sauteed up in some butter. We're going to start out with our butter. Whoa-pow! Oh, God, I love this thing. You know, I'm way more excited about this than I really probably should be.
I think it's pretty cool.
I'm okay with that.
Ooh, those look good.
That's 3 bell peppers right there and a half a red onion. We've got our fajita marinade and seasoning, and that's what we're going to throw on top of this, kind of keeping it all the same, you know, palette. Now that we've got these all seasoned and buttered up, I oiled a little bit of spot over here. I'm going to push them kind of off to the side. Well, like I said, guys, we've pre-cooked our chicken, which you can do, or you can cook it on the Blackstone if you like, but we like ours shredded, so we did it in the Instant Pot. We are dropping some butter down. Oh my goodness, that is just exciting. Every time. A little bit of oil to keep that from burning. Here we go, chicken, and we did season this with some chicken stock and some taco seasoning. We're going to add some more taco seasoning to this now once we put it on the Blackstone. Stir that up and add some more. Oh, yeah. And some more butter. Oh, my goodness, I get to use the butter again. Just going to get that heated back up. Okay. Put this back here. Put this over here. So traditionally, a quesadilla is just, meat and some veggies in a tortilla, corn tortilla traditionally, heated up on a Blackstone, flat iron, frying pan, whatever. We're going to add some vegetables. We're going to add some cheese. We're going to add all kinds of crazy stuff. Do whatever you guys want, but remember, you're trying to pick these up, so don't go too crazy. All right, well, as per always, you want a little bit of oil on your grill. With the oil thing. Tortilla on the Blackstone. This is really getting exciting, guys. This is where the magic is going to happen. I'm going to heat the one side. I'm going to flip that over. I think I got a couple of these at Walmart. It's just a little spatula with the basting brush on it. We're not going to use the basting side. Yeah, when you see it start to bubble, that's when it's time to flip it. And start loading her up.
Right.
There you go. Once you have your first one assembled, you push this off to the side. You can start assembling your second one. By the time you get your second one done, flip your first one. Medium heat, everybody. If you don't like refried beans, you don't have to use that. I recommend another layer of cheese. So start out with cheese and finish with cheese. We're in Wisconsin. I mean, who's going to argue with that? The next tip I'm going to give for you, we ran out of mozzarella cheese. But I know it sounds crazy, guys, but mozzarella cheese, put them on these things, you're going to love it. Okay, let's see if we flip this thing right.
Ooh, beautiful.
Perfect. All right, now I got more heat over here to cook this thing, less heat over here. I'm going to put this over on this side a little bit. Start cooking our third one. Okay, now this one is my first one. Is done. Look at that.
Boom.
Our second one is ready to flip.
Ooh, gorgeous.
Look at that. And this one goes over here. See how that all times out?
You know, you gotta warn me.
Oh, I'm sorry. We'll take that again. This is really good. This is the first taste test.
Oh, stop it. You're ridiculous.
That was just as good as the other one.
Huh.
The other first one. Ma'am, if you guys haven't tried quesadillas on the Blackstone, you are totally missing out. These are fantastic. We're going to go in and enjoy our dinner. Thanks for watching us here today at Coop de Grill. Make quesadillas on the Blackstone. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It really does help us grow our channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop de Grill. We're not sure what we're cooking today, but we never are, and you're going to come along with us.
Listen with stuff.
Well, I
What are you doing?
don't even know.
Well, hurry up.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it fast.
You need a new,
Did it come out?
No. Oh, there it
we
is.
go.
You know why? Because butter jam.
Butter jam.
You Marines out there, you'll get that.
Oh my. Oh, right. So traditionally what are we making?
Quesadillas.
Yeah, there we go. Oh no.
That looks fantastic.
Except for the chicken. The chicken is burning. It's all right. You know what helps with that?
More butter. You're kidding.
I, as a matter of fact, am not kidding. I thought I was right. You just wanted to see me do this.
Yeah, I did.
You like it. We're going to go have dinner. You guys should go check these out. She puts videos of us cooking good stuff like this on grills. Over here, right there. We're going to go have that. You go check that out.